Morning, family, or afternoon, family. It's hands off. Assalamu alaikum. It's Memorial Day, so this is gonna be the first day my birds are ever out. I'm actually getting ready to let them out now. Take the top down off the coop. But before I do that, right quick, these are all the eggs I got for the past 2 weeks. I still got the birds in there together, but they're not breeding. I actually gonna be taking a minute to, well, I'm gonna take some time, hopefully, and start separating as many of them as I can. All right, just gonna put it on pause. Okay, I had one that was in the trap. I couldn't get him out, and he just flew. I think he's on my roof in this little corner. Well, he's around here somewhere. But let's drop the trap. I know they're hungry. I didn't feed them yesterday, and let's see what they do. Well, everybody's looking for food instead of coming out the trap. So let's do a little pause for a minute. Got a silver right there. I think I got about one right there. Uh, we'll see. Put you back on pause. I don't want to open the door and get them used to coming out, but we got to do something to get as many of them out. I'm not going to chase anybody out, but I am going to open the door. If I touch some food, they'll be ready to come out, but I'm not gonna touch no food yet. Got a few coming out the door. Well, we got quite a few out. Got a few flying around. Got a few tree huggers. I haven't gave them no food. I just opened up the door wide. I bought me a new net. Got it from Walmart. It's a big ass net. But got an adjustable handle. Push it. That's for the ones that don't want to come in later on tonight. See, we got some in. What I'm going to do is, they know what the feed tray is and they know what it looks like when I bring it out. So put you on pause for a second. Everybody sees that's the chaos. And nothing's out here scaring them, but they just want to make sure they ain't break my window. That's my little weekly bird. I don't know what's going on with it. I gotta have to separate it today. But we're gonna try a little feed and see if we can get them out. At least just a little bit of food. Got a couple of the old birds flying around too, so. That's my 500-mile bird right there. He's pissed. Nobody to breed with. I wouldn't let him breed. He'll go over to the feed tray. He's always looking for food. I meant to say I got at least, I think, 85 birds. Got a few of them that seen a little bit of food. And I do mean a little bit. Just trying to get some movement. Well, we got a nice group out. Got a few in the neighbor's house. All right, most of them already down. I got a few on the roof up there. I'm gonna chase them in. Probably got a few more flying around, but for the bulk, all of them seem to be in. Try to call them in. Call them in and get something to eat. Gotta get the pole, move them. Well, we got most of them. We got pretty much everything in. I don't see nothing around the house. Got the two off the top. All right, comment, subscribe. Biggest problem I have is separating the birds. Struggling on the male, female. I know the male is bigger, but some of my birds look the same size. All right, comment, subscribe. What do you think? What's the best way to tell the males and females apart? Peace. Shouts out to all the flyers.